Pastel French Manicure, Nail Ideas and Tutorials. Pastel French Manicure, Nail Ideas and Tutorials. Nail art has evolved into a captivating form of self-expression, allowing individuals to showcase their creativity and style through their fingertips. Among the myriad nail art techniques, the French manicure remains a timeless classic. However, a fresh twist has been added to this iconic design, the Pastel French Manicure. In this article, we delve into the world of pastel French manicures, exploring nail ideas, design variations, and step-by-step tutorials to help you achieve this chic and sophisticated look. Pastel Elegance, a modern twist on a classic favorite. The French manicure, characterized by its clean white tips and natural base, has long been a staple in nail salons and personal nail care routines. Its simplicity and versatility make it suitable for various occasions, from casual outings to formal events. In recent years, a trend towards softer and more subtle nail colors has emerged, giving rise to the pastel French manicure. Pastel colors, known for their delicate and gentle hues, add a touch of whimsy and elegance to the traditional French manicure. Imagine soft lavender tips paired with a pale pink base or mint green tips adorning a light peach backdrop. These combinations breathe new life into the classic design, making it perfect for those who desire a modern yet refined look. Exploring pastel French manicure ideas. 1. Lavender Dreams. For a dreamy and ethereal look, opt for lavender tips on a soft, milky base. This combination exudes femininity and grace, making it ideal for weddings, brunches, or a day at the art gallery. 2. Minty Fresh. Embrace the calming vibes of mint green with this pastel French manicure. Whether you're headed to a spa day or a picnic in the park, this color scheme is sure to keep you feeling refreshed. 3. Peachy Keen. A light peach base paired with delicate coral tips is a playful yet sophisticated choice. This combination is well suited for summer parties, beach vacations, or afternoon tea. 4. Baby Blue Beauty. Transport yourself to clear blue skies with a baby blue and white French manicure. This serene and tranquil look complements casual outings and outdoor adventures. 5. Blush Pink Perfection. Soft pink tips on a blush base create a timeless and elegant appearance. This variation seamlessly transitions from the office to an evening soiree. Creating your pastel French manicure, step-by-step tutorials. Materials you'll need. Tutorial: Lavender Dreams Pastel French Manicure. 1. Prepare your nails. Start by shaping and buffing your nails to your desired length and shape. Gently push back your cuticles using a cuticle pusher. 2. Apply base coat. Optional, apply a thin layer of base coat to protect your natural nails and help the polish adhere better. 3. Apply pastel base color. Apply the pastel color of your choice to all of your nails. Allow it to dry completely before moving on to the next step. 4. Tape or guide application. Place nail tape or guides diagonally across the tips of your nails, leaving the desired amount of space for the white tips. Make sure they are securely adhered to prevent any polish from bleeding. 5. Apply white tip color. Carefully apply white nail polish to the exposed tips of your nails. Remove the nail tape or guides immediately after applying the white polish. 6. Finishing touches. Once the white tips are dry, apply a clear top coat to seal the design and add a glossy finish. Clean up any excess polish around your nails using a cotton swab dipped in nail polish remover. 7. Final steps. Allow your manicure to dry completely before going about your day. Show off your stunning lavender pastel French manicure with pride. Tips for a flawless pastel French manicure. Ensure that each layer of polish is completely dry before applying the next to prevent smudging and streaking. Use nail tape or guides for clean and precise lines when applying the white tips. Experiment with different pastel color combinations to find the one that best suits your style and personality. If you're new to nail art, practice on a nail wheel or a piece of paper to perfect your technique before applying the design to your nails. In conclusion, the Pastel French manicure effortlessly combines the sophistication of a classic French manicure with the charm of pastel colors, resulting in a stylish and graceful nail art design. Whether you're attending a special event, expressing your creativity, or simply pampering yourself, the Pastel French manicure offers a versatile and elegant option. With a range of pastel shades and creative variations to explore, you're sure to find the perfect combination that resonates with your unique style. So, why not treat yourself to a touch of pastel elegance and elevate your nail game? Maintaining your pastel French manicure, tips for long-lasting beauty. A well-maintained manicure can last for several days or even up to a week with proper care. Here are some tips to help extend the life of your pastel French manicure. 1. Protect your nails. To prevent chipping and premature wear, wear gloves when doing household chores or tasks that involve water and chemicals. 2. Avoid using nails as tools. Resist the urge to use your nails as tools for opening packages or scratching, as this can weaken the polish and cause it to chip. 3. Apply a top coat every few days. Reapplying a clear top coat every few days helps seal the edges and maintain the glossy finish of your manicure. 4. Moisturize your cuticles. Keeping your cuticles hydrated with cuticle oil or moisturizer helps maintain the overall health of your nails and prevents the polish from lifting. 5. Be gentle with your hands. Avoid excessive contact with harsh chemicals and abrasive surfaces, as these can wear down the polish and dull its shine. 6. Touch up as needed. If you notice any chips or signs of wear, you can carefully touch up the affected areas with the appropriate colors and a fine nail art brush. 7. Consider gel or dip powder options. If you're looking for a longer lasting option, you might consider getting a gel or dip powder pastel French manicure at a professional nail salon.